Today's Good People, Good Works will be presented in Nepali and English with subtitles in Arabic, Aulasis or Vietnamese, Chinese, English, French, German, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Nepali, Persian, Portuguese, Russian, Thai, and Spanish.
Mother Teresa, I always used to meet her and she said, continue your work, don't stop your work.
नमस्ते प्राज्ञ दर्शकवृन्द, यहाँहरूलाई आजको यस कार्यक्रम असल मानिस असल कार्यहरूमा स्वागत छ। आजको कार्यक्रममा हामी माइती नेपालका बारेमा चर्चा गर्नेछौँ, जुन नेपाली महिलाको हकितको लागि समर्पित नाफा नकमाउने एक गैर सरकारी संस्था हो। माइती नेपाल जागरुक शिक्षक, पत्रकार र समाजसेवीहरूको एक समूहको अग्रसरतामा कार्तिक 2050 सालमा स्थापना भएको थियो। यस संस्थाले चेलीबेटी बेचबिखन, दुर्व्यवहार, परिवारबाट अपहेलना र शोषण जस्ता समस्याहरूको शिकार बनेका महिलाहरूलाई एउटा न्यानो आश्रम प्रदान गर्दछ। ती महिलाहरूलाई कानुनी सरसल्लाह दिनुको साथसाथै माइती नेपालले आफ्ना चेलीहरूलाई प्रेमपूर्ण प्रोत्साहन दिँदै साधारण लेखपढ गर्ने शिक्षा र व्यावसायिक सिपहरू पनि सिकाउँछ, जसकारण ती महिलाहरूलाई आफ्नो एक नयाँ जीवन सुरुवात गर्न ठुलो सहारा मिल्दछ। माइती नेपालको अथक प्रयासले गर्दा चेलीबेटी बेचबिखनको समस्याप्रति सर्वसाधारण र नेपाल सरकारको गम्भीर ध्यानाकर्षण भएको छ। चेलीबेटीको हित र संरक्षणको क्षेत्रमा उल्लेखनीय योगदान पुर्याए बापत यस समूहलाई सन् 2002 मा बालबालिकाको हकितको लागि विश्व बालबालिकाहरूको पुरस्कार प्रदान गरिएको थियो। श्रीमती अनुराधा कोइराला यस संस्थाको संस्थापक र प्रमुख अध्यक्ष हुनुहुन्छ। उहाँले अब हामीसँग माइती नेपालको इतिहास र महिलाहरूको अधिकारको संरक्षणको लागि यसले चालेका कदमहरूको बारेमा चर्चा गर्नुहुनेछ।
I used to go to Pashupatinath, that is our temple, and I used to see women begging, very healthy women begging with lots of children. And I asked them, why are you on the street? Why are you begging? You are so healthy. And the begging time is only 3 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. What happens to you? Why do you beg? So they always told me that my husband married another woman, or my husband died, and then my in-laws kicked me out of the house, or my husband ran away with another woman, and that is why I am in the street today.
महिलाहरूको यी मार्मिक परिस्थितिहरूको ज्ञान भएपछि श्रीमती कोइरालाले उनीहरूलाई कसरी आत्मनिर्भर बनाउन सकिन्छ र एक सम्मानित जीवन बाँच्न सकिने बनाउन सकिन्छ भनेर विचार गर्न थाल्नुभयो।
They were very healthy and I didn't want them to beg. Everybody has to work and learn to work. So I told them, if I give you a job, will you work? And they said, of course we will work, but who will give us job? Because everywhere in the world, when you seek a job, they look for security. I will support you and you can start small shops on the street. That will be independent. You don't have to work in someone's house. It will be independent. I will start small shops. It is called Nanglo Pasal. Nanglo Pasal means small shops on the street, which during those time, it cost about 1,000. And I was a teacher. I earned only 7,000 rupees. But even then I said, I must do something to this woman. So I talked to this woman for 1.5 months. They realized they wanted to do, and they said, okay, we want to do.
त्यसको लगत्तै पछि श्रीमती कोइरालाले आफ्नो प्रेमपूर्ण र सरिदै कामको थालनी गर्नुभयो र समय साथसाथै उहाँको संलग्नता र उत्तरदायित्व पनि बढ्दै गयो।
So 8 women came. I said, you give me 1 rupee every day, so that with that 1 rupee I can help another sister. So this woman used to pay me one rupee per day. After 1 month, they said, oh, our children are running from here to there, the car may run over them, they are not going to school, they are not under our control, please take our daughters. I said, okay. And I said, I'm sure I can do. I think I will do. So I started a small NGO, and then in one house I gave training to women for sewing and cutting, and in one house I said, I will keep your children. So, and then 8 shops on the road. It was so expensive, house rent, food, medical, education. It was very difficult. Whatever I had, I sold everything.
ती असाधारण चुनौतीपूर्ण अवस्थाहरू केही समयसम्म यथावत नै रहे र एक दिन एउटा चमत्कारी घटना घट्यो।
One Japanese person who was working in UNICEF heard about me and came and he said, you are doing fantastic work, I will write an proposal for you, and then maybe UNICEF will support you. So he wrote a proposal for us, and then UNICEF supported. Even your husband batters you, even if you are sold or if you are trafficked, abused, the ultimate place for girls to come back is the mother's home, right? So Maiti means mother's home. And slowly I got some helpers, and then there were 4 or 5, and now 299 people are working with us. I'm a chairperson and founder. There is a director, there is a senior finance officer, 3 finance account officers, then we have shelter in charge, we have 5 lawyers, then we have nurses, we have doctors. It's not only here, it's all over Nepal.
फर्केर आएपछि माइती नेपालले महिला संरक्षणको क्षेत्रमा गरेका असल कार्यहरूको बारेमा श्रीमती कोइरालाले थप चर्चा गर्नुहुनेछ। कृपया सुप्रिम मास्टर टेलिभिजन हेर्दै गर्नुहोला।
In 1998, Prince Charles visited us. Prince Charles did a lot for us because we were also known around the world. That was one part. The other part was he sold his personal paintings and he supported our girls. And with that money, we bought this piece of land.
सुप्रिम मास्टर टेलिभिजनको यस कार्यक्रम असल मानिस असल कार्यहरूमा यहाँहरूलाई पुनः स्वागत छ। आफ्नो अभियानको एक भाग स्वरूप माइती नेपालले 3 वटा पुनर्स्थापना केन्द्र, 3 वटा निवारण गृह र 8 वटा पारवाहन गृहहरू सञ्चालन गरेको छ। यी 3 वटा पुनर्स्थापना केन्द्रहरूले बेपत्ता भएका वा त्यागिएका बालबालिका र बेचबिखन एवं घरेलु हिंसाबाट उम्किएकाहरूलाई अस्थायी आश्रय प्रदान गर्दछन्। आश्रितहरूलाई समाजमा पुनर्स्थापित गर्न सहयोग पनि प्रदान गरिन्छ।
So we ask them what training you want to take. We are giving them optional trainings like gardening, like bakery, housekeeping, other works in the hotel. So Annapurna Hotel is helping us. They're giving our girls lots of training and they're giving them job also. There are beauty parlors where girls are doing very well. The girls are doing very well in carpentry and welding.
निवारण गृहहरूमा बेचबिखनमा पर्न सक्ने जोखिमपूर्ण अवस्थामा रहेका चेलीहरूलाई 4 देखि 6 महिनासम्म आश्रयमा राखिन्छ र आयस्रोत उत्पादन गर्ने र समुदाय परिचालन गर्ने सिप एवं नेतृत्व विकासको तालिम प्रदान गरिन्छ। नेपाल भारत सीमानाका बस्तीहरूमा रहेका पारवाहन गृहहरूले बेचिनबाट जोगाइएका चेलीहरूलाई आश्रय प्रदान गर्दछन्। सन् 1993 देखि 2006 सम्म माइती नेपालले लगभग 9000 चेलीहरू र बालबालिकाहरूको उद्धार गरिसकेको छ।
There is a force which is pushing me to work. I have to work. I have to do. It is keeping me going on. So I started with 2 rooms with no money. If there was no God, I don't think so my dream would have been fulfilled to help so many children. The pain, the sorrow I see in the girls, the sufferings which I see in the children makes me going on. First work of ours is awareness, prevention. Then we are doing rescue. Then we are doing legal work. Then we are doing repatriation. Then we are doing reintegration. Then we are doing different job trainings. And we are doing job placements.
माइती नेपालका उल्लेखनीय कार्यहरूले नेपाल सरकारको मान्यता र बलियो समर्थन प्राप्त गरेको छ।
We have been able to change a lot. For example, people never spoke in the parliament about this issue. Now, since 1990, they've been speaking about this issue in the parliament. Every party has at least 4 lines in their mandate about this issue. Political officers, ministers, they listen to us. This year, they said, okay, nobody has done in the world. Government of Nepal announces that 5th of September is the anti-trafficking day. So that is also an achievement to us.
अहिलेका दिनहरूमा माइती नेपालले जनमानसलाई बेचबिखन सम्बन्धी जानकारी दिन धेरै प्रयास गरिरहेको छ र बेचबिखन हुन नदिन भारतसँग सिमानामा पर्ने 4 नेपाली जिल्लाहरूमा पर्यवेक्षण टोलीहरूको स्थापना गरेको छ।
We have 26 official borders between India and Nepal, and India and Nepal needs no passport to come and go. But in these borders, this is official borders, there is police, immigration, everything is there. But there were no girls to check who goes and who comes. In the whole globe, we are the only one who put girls at the border. 4 girls in the border together with the police to check every girl whom they doubt. Because these girls have experience than you and me, because they went through the same border. So they stop the suspected ones and they ask questions. So after thinking that this girl is going to be trafficked, we hand over the girl to the police and police makes inquiry.
श्रीमती कोइरालाले चेलीबेटी बेचबिखनको बारेमा जनमानसलाई सचेत गराउने 9 अभियानहरू सञ्चालन गर्दै आउनु भएको छ।
In the evening, we gather in a place, we play musical band and sing famous Nepali songs, and we call people and they come to listen to the music. Then we give the message of what is trafficking, why people are trafficked, who traffics them, what are the consequences of trafficking. So we tell them that. So that is why now people are accepting. You have to change your attitude towards this issue first. You have to love this issue. You have to be passionate to this issue. Then you will know what happens, you know. You have to take each girl as your own daughter, as your own child. So that is why we have to give lots of training to police to be sensitive about this issue.
श्रीमती कोइराला र माइती नेपालले त्यहाँ आश्रित बासिन्दाहरूलाई शाकाहारी भोजन र स्वस्थ एवं प्राकृतिक जीवनशैली अपनाउन प्रोत्साहन गर्दछ।
I think to be vegetarian is to be very healthy. Meat is harmful for your health. Everybody knows that. Mighty Nepal has lots of farms where we are trying to grow now organic vegetables, especially for HIV positive, because we have a hospice. So I'm trying to make them also avoid meat. And now it is a very good reason. There is bird flu in this country. I have got here in this place 575 children and girls, and in hospice I have 40. So they are all vegetarian for 1.5 months together with me.
बहुसङ्ख्यक संवेदनशील चेलीहरूलाई सम्मानित एवं स्वावलम्बी जीवनयापन गर्न मद्दत पुर्याएकोमा श्रीमती अनुराधा कोइराला र माइती नेपाललाई हामी हार्दिक प्रशंसा व्यक्त गर्दछौँ। यो संस्थाले गरेका असल कार्यहरूले सदा दिव्य आशीर्वाद पाइरहोस्। माइती नेपालबारे थप जानकारीको लागि हेर्नुहोला www.maitynepal.org। आजको यस कार्यक्रम असल मानिस असल कार्यहरू हेरिदिनु भएकोमा यहाँहरूलाई धेरै धन्यवाद छ। यसपछिको कार्यक्रम हामी वरिपरिको संसार टिपोटियकीय खबरहरूको लगत्तै पछि आउनेछ। तपाईँ सदा अरूको मद्दतका निम्ति लागिरहन। Thank you for joining us for today's Good People, Good Works. Next is the world around us after noteworthy news. May we all always seek to help others in need.
For more details, please visit www.suprememastertv.com/GPGW.